Hello friends, my today topic is it's quality part of your life. Yes, directly and indirectly, quality is part of our life. Suppose my parents are not well, then what I am looking for? I am looking for good hospital, a good doctor. Why? Because directly and indirectly I am looking for quality. Obviously quality. And what is quality? And quality have different definitions. First one is fitness for use, value or worthiness for money, conformance to standards, to do right thing at the right time, and free from deficiency. Quality is not an act, it's an habit. Quality is a never-ending process. Quality is more important, and you cannot survive in this competitive world. Dear friends, I would like to hear your comments. What you think about quality? Is quality part of your life?